Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now this week I wanted to talk about two words that sound kind of similar, but they're actually totally different. One word is the word easement, the other is the word encroachment. So remember, an easement is the right to travel over another's property for access to your own. So if there's a house in the front and a house in the back, and the only way the guy in the back can get home is to cross through the front house, that's an easement over the front house. So again, an easement is the right to travel over another's property for access to your own. An encroachment is a physical invasion of another's property. So if you had a tree and roots of that tree were underground onto a neighbor's property, that would be an encroachment. Maybe branches on that tree overhang onto a neighbor's airspace, that's also an encroachment. Maybe a wall is built 4 inches onto an adjacent property. That's also an encroachment. So an encroachment is a physical invasion of another's property, whereas an easement is the right to travel over one house for access to another.